Hey, I don't know for sure, you guys. My bad if I was sharing the wrong screen. But either way, I just took this trade. As you can see, I took it right here, and it dropped right down into profit. We're getting a little pullback right now, but I'm not sure if you guys could see my screen or not. I just looked at the screen recorder and saw some settings that didn't look right, so I adjusted them. Hopefully, you were able to see everything. If not, then I'll try to fix the video. But yeah, all I did was I took a trade on USD CAD. You can see that we're selling with the TVblast dots down here. We've got USD numbers on the base side. They were a lot lower, but it's pulling back right now, so that's why they look higher. And then the CAD numbers have been in sell mode the entire time. Took it at about 9 pips, and here we are. So yeah, that's that. And I'm waiting on the trade right now, looking at these candles, making lower lows, lower highs. That's what I want to see. As long as it keeps doing that, we hold on to the trade, and I'll come back once it's finished. All right, guys, I went ahead and closed the trade. Shouldn't have lost anything, to like a tiny bit, and I closed it because this candle went up, made a higher high. So, I don't care what happens to price after that. I just follow the rules when I'm trading. And so in this case, I'm sitting here, I'm watching it. Price came up, ended up making a higher high. So for me, that's a clear sign that prices may end up going higher, and I don't want to be part of that. So I'm gonna scan around here. Let's see, NZD USD. No. What time is it? We're about to get new signals here in 30 seconds, and then I'll come back. But let's just check this out. UCAD. All right. So and I closed the trade right at entry, which was like, I don't know exactly where it was, but um, all right, we got some new signals. We got GBP USD sell. That doesn't look too bad. Let's see what lines up. GBP USD. I'm gonna go. I think I might go for that. Let's see. AUD USD. This one looks good. And I've got a little more room, so let's go for that one. Let's put it at 0.5990.4 and right on target. Yeah, I like the reason I picked this one was because I can perfectly aim for the low, right? It's like a perfect setup between here and here. Prices have already come here, so I know that they can do it again, right? And so yeah, that's great. This trade really lined up. This was good because we had all of our AUD pairs just full on in sell mode, and all of our USD pairs in full on sell mode. And then we had a fresh sell signal. So now we're seeing some good stuff. Just had to wait a little bit. All right, we'll watch it. I'll come back in a minute. Hey guys, I just saw a perfect opportunity to show you how to cut losses really short, just like I did on the previous trade. This example just set up right in front of us, so figured I'd go over it. So look, I sold on this candle because it was a fresh TVblast signal. Next candle made its lower low, made its lower high, and that's good. Now, the new candle has opened. If I'm in a momentum trade and price is supposed to continue to go down, I should not see price break above this candle right here. So this is now my stop loss, right? But I'm not going to move my stop loss there because I'll get hit by the spread. But as soon as if price was to hit this area, I will start looking for ways to get out of the trade. And so, that's a lot of the times that's strictly it. That's my determining factor as to if I'm going to exit a trade or hold on to a trade. And it just popped up right in front of us, so I figured I'd take advantage of the opportunity. And we're about to hit the TP. I'd like to get about halfway, at least halfway between spread and TP, like right in the middle of this. I guess I could just move that up like to about right here, and that would give me about one. What is the spread right now? AUD USD 1.5. Yeah, so that would be good. Yeah, nice. So that'll put us up pretty good for the day. Push it. Come on. Right there. Right there. There we go. All right. 0.34%. I'll look for one more trade, but I hope that that helps because I have a lot of people asking me about that. Like, how do I know when to hold on to a trade or when to get out of a trade? And I'm just watching candle by candle. What is the price action doing? So, yeah, this is pretty freaking textbook. I mean, down, we've pushed back up and then push down like that. And then let me check that UCAD trade, see whatever ended up happening with it. Um, 1 second. So I only lost $89 on that trade. So oh, would have been a nice big TP though. But you know what? It is. Oh wait, no, that would have been a loss. So good. Look, it was a sell, right? And again, what I did was I sold here. I sold here and I was aiming for there. And this candle broke the high of this candle, which, like I said, it typically indicates that the price ain't going down anymore. We're making higher highs. And so my stop loss was right here. I was able to close at an $89 loss, right? And this was 61 lots, and I was able to get out of it with only a $89 loss compared to if I would have let it drag all the way to the stop loss. You see what I mean? So technically, I essentially I lost a trade today and I won a trade today, but just off of that alone, I'm up 0.34%, right, for the day. And so that's because you keep your losses small, you keep your winners, as big as possible, full size, right? A lot of these trades are going to pop 1 to 1. That's why I like going 1 to 1. And my losses are typically never a full loss. So it just works out that way. So yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date. I've got meetings all week, one-on-one sessions all week with traders. So it's been a little bit more difficult to capture these videos and record them and edit them and things like that. But I'll do it. I'll do it as I can. So see you guys on the next video.